Hey fam, hey YouTube. I'm back for a minute. You know I'm in school, but I got something very nice for you. Let's get started. Hey y'all, hey YouTube channel and my Facebook group CCBAB. Okay, y'all, I finally have the memorial piece together. This is footage from a Facebook Live earlier today where I demolded this memorial piece. It came out really good. Now, I will be doing this on a tutorial. It'll be on YouTube Live. It'll be about 3 sessions. I haven't decided yet, but we're going to do it from start to finish. And you know, it possibly takes a while to dry, so let me let you look at it. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, y'all look.
You want something special? Trying to create something nice.
Y'all, this is so pretty.
Just pick up a pencil.
Okay, y'all, I'm finna go. I'll be back later. Bye. Okay, so there it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. It just made me instantly start crying, even though I made it. So we're going to start Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern. The first part is going to be drying the flowers and prepping. So check out my TikTok with little short clips going to show you what we're going to be doing. And I hope to see you next week. Thanks, guys. Rest in peace, nephew.